Hello everyone, welcome to Somar's cooking channel. Today I will be making caramelized sweet potatoes. In this recipe, I will mix caramelized sweet potatoes with shredded coconut. But if you don't like it, you can replace it by black sesame seeds. And there are two ways to make this, so please keep watching closely. Okay, let's get started. I have 2 pounds of sweet potatoes. First, we are going to clean it well and peel it. Then cut it into pieces at your favorite size. Now we have cut the sweet potatoes. So next we are going to prepare a very big bowl and put 8 cups of water. Then add 1 tablespoon of limestone water. Mix it well and then put the sweet potatoes in and soak it in this water for 30 minutes. You may have a question, why I use this limestone water? The reason is when we soak the sweet potatoes in limestone water, it will become harder. You may have question again why we need it harder. Very soon I will tell you. Okay, 30 minutes is over, please clean it again. Just in case you cannot find limestone in your area, you can use the second way to make it. What we have to do is to deep fry the sweet potatoes before caramelizing it with brown sugar. Now let's see all the ingredients. Okay, let's start caramelizing the sweet potato together. First, we are going to add 7 ounces of coconut milk in the pan and stir it until it's boiling. Then put 3/4 cup of brown sugar in. Stir it well until it dissolved. Now the sugar is completely dissolved, then put 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir it well, the heat is very important now, we will use medium-low heat. So please stir the mixture for 1 minute, and then put the sweet potato in. Please continuously stir it until we have less water. Here we come to the answer. Why we need the sweet potatoes harder? Because when we stir it with the brown sugar, it won't be mushy. And it won't be scrambled too. Now we have less water, so you can use spoon or knife to test if it is well cooked. If the water is less and sweet potatoes aren't cooked yet, you can add more a little bit coconut milk. And continuously stir it until it's well cooked. This step takes time, that's why we need to soak the sweet potatoes in limestone water before caramelizing it. If you don't want to spend much time, you can use the second way to make it. Please deep fry the sweet potatoes before caramelizing it. When the sweet potato is well cooked, you can put shredded coconut in and stir to combine it well for 1 minute. Now the caramelized sweet potatoes are done. Please enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe and give it a try. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any comment, please leave it down below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to get more contents. And see you in the next delicious recipes. Have a nice day. Bye.